Hey guys, Machine Gun Ellie here. I am getting ready to take a look at the AlienGear ShapeShift kit. So this is a modular holster. So it's supposed to be able to do inside the waistband, appendix, outside the waistband, and paddle, as well as a holster mount. So let's take a look inside the box and see what's actually in here. Okay, so here's the box. Once we open the box, this is where it starts. It actually says right here to start right here. These are the different things. It says shift to your favorite carry position with the instructional booklet. So you do get a booklet to help you through these different little ShapeShift kit. These are, I guess, the base pieces. So here's your first base piece. The actual feel of it, it's soft and it is movable. So the clips actually are really impressive because you don't need a screwdriver to adjust them, which sometimes you don't have a screwdriver and you need to adjust your holster, which is nice. So all you do with these is you just twist them all the way around and they come off. And then when you need to adjust it to a different level, you just twist it back on. So that's really cool and it's definitely helpful and convenient. And here is the other holster base. All right, so now let's get back into the actual holster itself. Give me 1 second and I will go deeper into the box. Okay, so here is the inside of the box. This is your guts of your holster. So you can see that there is a lot of pieces. To the average person, this might be a little bit confusing and definitely overwhelming. Here's your actual holster. This is for the G2C. I actually have ordered this specifically for a test that I'm going to do with the G2C. There's a bunch of hardware pieces. There's your wrenches and stuff like that. So you definitely have to make sure that you read the instructions in order to put your holster together correctly. Okay, so I just quickly put the paddle holster on to the shapeshifter holster so you guys can see this is how it looks. The easiest way that I can say to take this off was just this button right here. All I do is push this and it comes off like that. So not too hard for that one. The other ones do take some screws and stuff, so for time's sake, I just did this one so that you guys can see it. This is for the G2C, so I do have my G2C right here, and I wanted to show you how nice it does fit in here. It does fit really good, and the retention is fantastic for this holster. Now there is a thumb release right here on the back side, so you guys can see that. So all I'm going to do, push down, and the firearm comes right out. So that is really impressive. I do like that a lot. So I reconfigured, and here's the next shapeshifter. I made it into the appendix. Yeah, so here's the appendix. I configured it to the appendix holster, and the retention right now is really loose, so I'd have to readjust the retention, but that is adjustable, so that's nice. Other than that, it is a little bit bulky, so that is something to be aware of, that you will have to have a little bit extra room in your pants. But with all these different configurations in one kit, I think that it's really amazing that they're able to offer you so many different applications. I mean, outside the waistband, outside the waistband paddle, appendix, inside the waistband, plus a holster mount, I think is really impressive. You don't have to go and buy a bunch of different holsters. You have the whole kit and you've got all your holsters in one box. So that is really neat. So overall, I think that the AlienGear ShapeShifter Core Carry Pack is quite impressive, and I think that for the price that you do get quite a bit of holster options. So something to definitely check into, and I would suggest buying. They have a ton of different holster options, so you can customize your firearm just by going and clicking on what kind of firearm you have. You actually will be able to have this option. So they have a lot of different firearms available for this kit. So I was able to get the G2C. I know there's a lot of Ruger, Smith & Wesson, Glocks, so they have quite a few firearms available for this kit. So make sure that you check out AlienGear and check out the ShapeShifter Core Carry Kit. This is Machine Gun Ellie saying shoot safe, shoot true, shoot often, and remember, it's your right. Respect it and protect it. See you guys later.